welcome back to my channel. Yay! It's been a while I spoke live. It's really been an amazing journey. I am so happy. 600 subscribers. Oh my god. I really want to thank my subscribers, those who have been tuning in, those who have been watching me, those who have been sharing my videos. I love you guys so much. 600 subscribers, baby, and we are just getting started. For those who are just tuning in for the first time, I make DIY gele videos, I make do-it-yourself gele videos. If you have anything, any type of gele you want me to type for you, please make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lizzie's Touch, and I will be there for you guys so much. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please don't go without subscribing. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you all how to tie this very simple and easy trending gele tutorial. It's not difficult at all. If you follow these simple steps, I'll be showing you all today. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele. It's very important that you do that so that the rough parts, that's the rough edge of your gele, does not show when you place it on your head. And then the next step I took was to make about 4 pleats before placing the gele on my head. It's very important that you arrange your pleats so that they actually look nice on your head. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele have to be equal. One does not have to be more than the other. They just have to be equal. And before you take one hand of your gele to make pleats, what you have to do with the other hand is to twist your gele underneath your armpit, especially if you're tying gele for yourself. This is very important. Take one hand of your gele, because we usually have both hands. Take one hand of your gele and place it underneath your armpit so that your gele does not unravel and so that it feels firm and secured on your head. So after doing that, you can just go ahead making your pleats. Right now, I made about 3 pleats before trying to make my fan. The 3 pleats I made are the infinity pleats, just the normal round pleats we do. If you haven't watched my previous videos on how to make round pleats, guys, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie infinity pleats or any kind of pleats you actually want. Check out my previous videos. So right now I'm trying to make my fan. It is very important that when making your fan, you make use of your both hands. One hand has to be picking the pleats while the other hand holds the gele firm so that it doesn't unravel. When you're tying your gele for yourself, you have to keep checking to make sure that your gele does not want to unravel and so that it feels secured on your head. So once you're done with your pleats, take the part that is left towards the back, just twist it a little and pin it at the back. Now my gele is secured on my head and I feel comfortable. I'm just going to take the second hand of my gele, twist it, take it up like on top the first one I did, take it up and open the edges so that it actually looks sleek and nice. Take it up and pin it. So right right now, all I'm trying to do is to arrange my pleats to make sure that my gele actually looks beautiful and firm. You just have to keep picking your pleats. You just have to keep picking and arranging it properly so that it actually looks nice and comes out very beautiful. As you can see, I'm trying to really open the other hand of my gele so that it looks pretty and really nice. So for this gele, you really have to pin at different points. It is very important that you do that, especially if you're tying your gele for yourself. Do not minimize the use of your pins. Make maximum use of it. You really have to pin the gele at different points. And at this point I am holding right now, you can just easily thread the gele so that it feels very secured on your head and it doesn't unravel. And that is why you can see so many pins on my head, because when I go for the party, I really don't want my gele to unravel. I want it to be secured and I want it to feel very firm on my head. I really love you guys so much, and I love this gele. Before that I love this gele so much because you can take it to church, you can tie it for brides, you can tie it for party guests, and it's very comfortable and easy. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this gele tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't fail to subscribe and share. It's 600 subscribers and we are going ahead every day. I love you guys so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Please turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will be the first to know. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.